we're gonna do. So first is your turn. And my favorite part is when all the eggs drop down. And now let's all pray, everybody. Thank you, Lord, for what you do. You're the God we're looking for. We're in for what you do. You're the God we like you to. We like you, God, because you're the best. You know what you're doing. You know. And now it's time to talk about everything. So, Mandy, let's all talk about the Chop Chop coming up. And so, it's so funny that all the people are coming, even the little kids are.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Balloons.
Balloons? Do you like to play drums?
Yeah.
Yep. Can you show us how you play the drums? Very nice. Mandy, what's your favorite thing to do? To dance a little bit? Yeah. And Frank, what's your favorite thing to do?
Yeah, my favorite thing to do is like run around and be crazy. And my favorite thing to do is this when you like to hang out. And my favorite thing to do. My favorite thing to do is and have a party and have picnics outside and sit out in new chairs. And my favorite thing to do is like to hang out and like what taste?
Do you guys want to maybe conclude your meeting, which means bring it to an end and say goodbye?
Goodbye, everybody.